Hello guys, welcome back to another video of my channel Language Ostic. So nowadays I'm posting my videos regularly on YouTube. I hope you're liking my videos. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and help me to reach my goal of 2k subscribers. So today I have prepared French lesson on animal vocab. So I hope you will like, and if you like, please share and subscribe to everyone. Share to everyone and subscribe to my channel. The link of my previous videos will be given in the description box, and my German lesson on animals will be also be given. So let's begin. So in today's lesson I have prepared mammal, reptiles, birds, aquatic animals and insects vocab. So first I have mammal vocab. I hope you are liking the 3D models that I've inserted. So first I've got horse. Horse. As you can see, this is the horse. Horse is cheval. Cheval in French. Then I have cat. Cat is chat. Chat. Then I have dog. As you can see, this is a dog. Dog is chien. Chien. So this lesson is pronunciation. You can take screenshots, and if you want this PDF, please message me on my email account. And yeah, let's see what I have next. Next I have elephant. This is elephant. I have elephant, which is also known as elephant in French. Then I have rhino. Rhino is known as rhinoceros. 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 Then I have monkey or ape. Monkey. Here is a monkey. Monkey is singe. Singe. Or it is also known as ape. Then is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus, that is hippopotam. 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 Then I have cheetah. Cheetah is guipard. Guipard. Then I have wolf. You can see wolf is present right here. Wolf is loop. Loop. Then I have squirrel. Squirrel is equurial. Equurial. Then I have panda. Panda. You can see here is a panda. It is panda. And I have camel. Camel is camew. Camew. Then I have deer. That is churf. Another thing, lion is also known as lion in French. So that's all for mammal vocab. Moving on to the next vocab. Next I have reptile vocab. So first I have snake. Snake, as in my previous slide, a picture was there of snake. Here is a picture of snake. Which is known as serpent. Serpent in French. Then is lizard, which is known as lizard. Lizard in French. Then I have crocodile, which is known as crocodile, and the spelling is same. Then I have turtle, which is known as tortoise. Then I have a frog. Frog is known as grenole. Grenole. See, this is a turtle. Grenole. The spelling is grenole, but the pronunciation is grenole. Then I have toad. Toad is crowpath. Crowpath. This is all for reptile vocab. Moving on to the next slide. Next slide I have aquatic animals. Vocab on aquatic animals. So first I have jellyfish. That is medusa. Medusa. Then I have shark. That is requin. Requin. Then I have a whale. You can see. No, sorry. This is shark and this is whale. Then I have dolphin, that is known as dolphin. Sorry, whale is known as a baleine. Baleine in French. Then I have tuna, which is known as thorn. Then I have eel, which is known as anguille. Anguille. Then I have at last goldfish, which is known as poison roach. Poison roach. So that's all for aquatic animals. Moving on to the next, that is birds and insects. This is a very colorful slide that I have made. This is made with fluorescent color tubes and these are 3D models. So first let's see on the bird vocab. So I will, if you want more vocabulary, you can just email me. I've got too much email in these days and many of you requested me to do this video. So this video is on a request of many of my viewers. So then I have swan. Swan is known as Sigen. Sigen. Then I have owl, which is known as hippo. Hippo. Then I have ostrich, which is known as ostrich. Ostrich. Then I have falcon, which is known as falcon. Falcon. Moving on to the insect lesson. Number 1 is bee, that is a bale. A bale. This is bee. A bale. Then is fly or mosquito. Both are known as mouch. Then I have butterfly, which is papillon. Papillon. Then I have ant, which is foamy. And at last I have snail, which means escargot. So that's all for today's video. Let's do a quick recap. So we learned mammal vocab, we learned reptile vocab, we learned aquatic animals vocab, then at last we learn birds and insects. So if you want any of my presentations, don't hesitate to message me on my email account. I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like to my video and help me reach to 2K subscribers. And bye. Have a very good day.